Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and your radio doesn't turn on, guys, stay with us, we'll explain what could be the reasons for that. Now, quick introduction, guys, we have more than 200 videos, guys, on the Chevy Cruze and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos, guys, you can find the links, okay, we share them in the description of the video below for your convenience. So, let me demonstrate how the radio doesn't turn on that Chevy Cruze, and we'll start explaining what are the top reasons for radio, okay, not to work. Now, I'm not talking about radio that turns on and has no sound, but I'm talking about radio that doesn't turn on at all. We have a video if your radio doesn't have sound, what can cause that as well. So, ignition is on, guys. Okay, you can see ignition is on, and I press that button, nothing happens. So, let's go ahead and explain what can cause that now. So what could happen, guys, that your radio doesn't work? Okay, of course it could be a bad unit, and we'll have a video on the channel how to test it and all that stuff. I've seen a few that go bad, especially on higher mileage vehicles, ones that are exposed in extreme heat, guys, summertime. It can actually cause damage to your radio because it's electronics. The hotter it gets, okay, for longer periods of time that could happen. What happens actually even winter time, if it's super cold and then your car heats up, those electronics, guys, it has different connectors that expand and shrink from heat and cold, and eventually it can quit working. But I've noticed now, guys, that sometimes, okay, under certain conditions, let's say it's too hot, cold, sometimes, guys, the radio fuse will burn. Okay, I'm talking about radio fuse, nothing else. And this radio, okay, this is your information screen, but the radio is right here. We have a video on the channel that explains how to remove it. However, guys, there is no fuse on the back side of the radio. Usually, you know, most cars have the fuse on the back side of the radio. It's not there. In our case, okay, it's in that fuse box located next to the steering wheel right here. So we're going to open this one and show you which fuse to check now. So the fuse, guys, that we are looking at now, guys, okay, let me see, is fuse number 4. Okay, I'm talking about this very top fuse, okay, right here. So I grab it with the fuse pull it out. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses or anything like that, that whole box is unbelievable cheap, guys, so check it out if you need. Okay, if you need some replacement fuses, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. We're going to install that fuse, put the cover back on, and I want to show you now, guys, okay, if our radio will be working. It's working, guys, even without having the ignition on, you can see. So that definitely fixed the problem. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.